So what I've got here is the Western Pacific Extension Searchlight Car 616637. And what I think is really cool about this car is, take these thread ties off. It reminds me of the GE generator car. It kind of does the same thing, now that I think about it. So really similar to the GE generator car. So we've got an Extension Searchlight Car. The light comes off and you got a roll. Isn't that really cool? You have a reel and you can put this light pretty much anywhere you want to on the layout. And you just got this reel, like just chock-a-block full of wire on it. It's so cool. I mean, limited uses, but really a cool accessory. And it's magnetized, so that's what holds it back on the car. We'll give this a go here in a second. And you can just kind of set it anywhere in the layout you want. And it's really just a lot like the GE generator car. The GE generator car does hum, though, if I remember right. It just sits in there with a magnet. And then we've got metal wheels, metal trucks. Couplers are plastic, but the trips are metal. And it's really a cool car. It's got some weight to it. We're almost going to be the snake eating its tail here soon. So really a cool car, not a lot to say about it other than it's just cool. It brings a lot of interest and excitement to your train. And while I'm here, this trainer here, I've been using it now for quite a while. And I love these 442s, these die-cast 442s. They're just the cat's pajamas as far as I'm concerned for locomotives. Like there's not tons of detailing. They're nothing really to write home about, and they made tons of them. But these things are like, they're rock solid. They're bulletproof. These trains are just, these are here when you talk about a Lionel train that's going to last. These die-cast 442s from the 80s and 90s especially, they're just built like tanks. And the only thing that ever really goes wrong with them, besides people, dropping them and busting the pilot off or something, is they just get dirty. They lose the drive wheel. The rubber drive wheel falls off, or you burn the headlight out, or something small like that. But I've never seen one of these that didn't work after being cleaned and just shined up a little bit. So I just want to take a second and just recognize these trains. They're just the cat's pajamas as far as trains go. I appreciate you watching today. I'll talk to you again soon.